Welcome all of you in online teaching learning process. We have started paper number 4, Analytical Chemistry, and in which we have studied unit number 1, Introduction to Analytical Chemistry. In our last video, we have seen the introductory part related to analytical chemistry and vast applications of analytical chemistry in different fields. So in the case of introduction to analytical chemistry, now we will focus classification of analytical methods. So in the case of analytical techniques, there are two main methods. First one is a chemical method, which is called as classical method, and second one is a physical method, which is called as instrumental method. So these two methods are very important to carry out analytical techniques. So in the case of methods of analysis, first we will see classification of analytical methods of analysis. So in which we will see different type of classifications. So in case of analytical methods, which are classified according to the property that is observed in the final measurement. Some important properties as well as names of the methods based on these properties are given in table below. So table number 1, that is analytical methods, which describe physical property and analytical methods based on measurement of property. So first property is which is related to physical property, which is a mass which is measured in, that is gram or kilogram. So the related experiment or analytical technique in which quantitative determination takes place, which is a gravimetric analysis. So what is gravimetric analysis? So in the case of gravimetric analysis, we can determine mass of the substance or weight of the substance. So this is quantitative analysis. In BSc second year and BSc third year practicals, the gravimetric analytical technique is introduced, in which we can determine quantitative determination of iron present in the sample as well as barium present in the sample. So gravimetric experiments related to the mass or physical property mass. Then second one, which is a volume. So it is a volumetric titration. In BSc first year we will carry out volumetric titrations, in which we can carry the experiment simply acid base titration. So consumption of base with respect to acid will be determined, and in this end point of the titration, which is a volume. For example, if we titrate HCl and NaOH, and suppose end point is a 18.2, so 18.2 is a volume consumption. So this is related to physical property. Then next physical property, electrical potential, conductance, then current, quantity of electricity, etc. So electrical potential determined by the instrument potentiometry. So this is a analytical technique. Then conductance measured by conductimetry, which is an analytical technique. Then voltammetry, polarography, amperometry, coulometry, and electroanalytical methods. So various types of instruments which will be used to determine these physical properties. Then absorption of radiation. So spectrophotometry, in which there are X-ray technique, UV technique. UV means ultraviolet radiation, visible, IR, NMR, colorimetry, atomic absorption, electron spin resonance, ESR technique. So in the case of spectrophotometry, in which absorption of radiation takes place. So by using X-ray radiation we can determine structure. So by using ultraviolet we can determine lambda max, wavelength of absorption. Then visible radiations. IR spectra gives exact absorption or functional group present in the structure. For example, if there is a acid group COH, then IR spectra appears at 1740 cm inverse. And for another groups like aldehyde, ketone, then OH, alcohol, it appears at 3600. In NMR, we can determine how many protons present in the structure. So such type of techniques which are related to absorption of radiation. Then emission of radiation, in which emission spectroscopy, flame photometry, fluorescence, radiochemical methods will be used. Then scattering of radiation. The experiment related analytical techniques are turbidimetry, nephelometry and Raman spectrometry. Then refraction of radiation, refractometry. Such type of experiments also available in BSc second year and third year. Interferometry, then rotation of radiation, polarimetry. Such type of experiments also available in BSc second year. Then optical rotatory dispersion, then diffraction of radiation, then which the instruments are X-ray electron diffraction methods. Then mass to charge ratio, mass spectrometry. By using mass spectroscopy, we can determine exact mass of the molecule. And lastly, thermal properties will be determined by thermal conductivity and enthalpy methods. So such type of different physical properties which are related to different analytical methods based on measurement of the property. So overall applications of analytical chemistry, also we know that analytical chemistry used in various fields that like medicine, industry, environmental section, food and agriculture section and quality control section. So this quality control section available in each and every R&D of the various pharmaceutical companies like Cipla, Landmark, Pfizer, Cadila Healthcare, such type. So analytical chemistry is very important in various types of sectors. So it plays very important role in our chemistry section. So thank you all of you for listening this video.